Hey everybody, I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and you're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. This is the place where we show you how to make delicious, easy, and fun cocktails. We're always looking for new cocktails to bring to you, and this time we found one while we were sitting on our couch watching television. It actually comes from that popular TV show, Below Decks. Well, this one looked absolutely delicious, so we said, no, we've got to do this. Today's cocktail is called the Creole Smash. So let's get pouring. The Smash is a type of a cocktail that contains a spirit, a sweetener, a fruit, and some herbs to it, a little bit of water. And that is a pretty loose definition of the cocktail, so there's all different kinds of smashes. This one originally comes from New Orleans as far as we can tell. There's not a whole lot of history about it, so we're going to put it together for you. Our first ingredient that's going to go in there is gum syrup. Gum syrup is a simple syrup, but it uses gum arabic in there too to thicken it up. That's going to give this cocktail a nice smooth texture. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce. The golden color comes from the fact that we use a cane sugar. Now you can use white sugar, you can use the cane sugar, you can use the Demerara sugar, and each one of those is going to give you a little bit darker color. The cane sugar and the Demerara sugar are going to give you a richer, sweet flavor in there. And that's why I've started using more and more of that cane sugar. Our next ingredient going in there is some fresh mint. I have been dying to use some fresh mint, and we're going to use 6 leaves. So we cut those up. We put them in there. And now we are going to gently muddle those together. And when you muddle, you're not really going to tear them up. Some of the muddles will have like teeth on the bottom of them. I use a nice flat muddler on it. We want to press and squeeze the oils out of that fresh mint. And already the aroma is just delicious. Our next ingredient going in there, freshly squeezed lime juice. So we've got our herbs in there, we've got our sweetener. Now we're putting our citrus. Coming down the home stretch, we need to put some rum in there, our spirit. And for that, we are going to put in there 2 ounces. And I'm using a dark rum from the Dominican Republic. Got everything here that we need. Now we need to ice it up and chill it down. And I washed my hands, they're clean, I promise. Let's put the shaker on there. Give it a good shake for about 15 seconds. That's also going to help break down and emulsify those leaves, give you a little bit more of that mint flavor in there. Got that all mixed up, got it all chopped up. Now what I want to do is prepare my glass. We're going to use a highball glass for this, and we're going to fill it with ice. Now, the other thing that we're going to do with this is double strain. It helps when you remember to bring your strainer to the show. So we're going to double strain. That's going to get out any small shards of ice, and more importantly, it's going to get those little green specks of mint leaf that people start laughing at you when you smile because you're so happy you're drinking this. Let's pour it. Yeah. And now what I want to do is top that off with a little bit of club soda. It's going to give it a little bit of effervescence. It's going to freshen it up and make it wonderful for those hot summer days. Home stretch, one more step to go. I'm really forgetful today. I'll be back in 1 second. I need to get a straw. got my straw. So we put the straw in there, and it's not going to be a mint cocktail without some mint in there. So we take a fresh sprig of mint, put that in your hand, slap it. Let's bring out the mint flavor, the mint oils. We drop that in there, and there we have today's cocktail. Whoops. And there we have today's cocktail, the Creole Smash. Let's give it a taste. Boy, the flavors in there, you've got that rich rum flavor in there. Because we're using a dark rum, there's a lot of taste in here like a mojito, but that darker rum is much more full-bodied. We've got that cane sugar that makes it nice and sweet, that fresh mint, the aroma, the smell, the taste, it's all there. Using that gum syrup, it's a nice smooth texture to it. This one just screams summer in a glass. Cheers, everyone.